Hey guys, I'm back. I haven't recorded in a while because, well, first I've been really busy and traveling. And I just got back from Taiwan and I have quite a bit of footage. I still haven't done the other rest of my cherry unboxings. But right now I'm just rushing to the landmark shop to grab some cherry packaging. I think I finally got in touch with my CA, and she said that she has packaging or the cherry box for my these cherry cups that I ended up buying, which is still pending validation, but she can't guarantee that I'll get the box online, and she said they still have it in the shop, so she told me to go get them. So sorry for the noise, and I forgot to bring my headphones. Anyway, so I'll see you guys soon.喂，你有邊個啊？好嘢！呢個有隻咋？佢呢啲咁樣咯，香港嚟嘅。好啊好啊，我買個先。多謝。Oh my god, my CA is so nice to me. It was so hard for me to get the cherry boxes, but she said this is the last one left and she found only 4 more. Yay! I can do a giveaway. So happy. She went to go grab the ribbons for me, and she got me these stickers. Yeah, I don't think the shops in Hong Kong have the stickers. At least I have one packet, but I am so happy that I'm getting 2 of these. This is my favorite size. I ordered one last piece from their houseware. It came back online and I couldn't help it. The America favorite. Oh yeah. 佢就唔係嗰啲花嗰啲佢。哦 ，OK， 好啊，係佢襯翻 OK 嘅。就翻顏色出嚟，所以唔同，係特登喺呢個唔同角。And then package. It's raining outside, so thoughtful. They're very thoughtful. Okay. Hola. Thank you. So happy, guys. Heading back home. It's saying, the announcement saying it's heavy rain out, so everyone be careful not to slip. And that's why LV gave me a raincoat for my shopping bags. I didn't even purchase anything today, but my CA is so kind. Look at everything she gave me. Yeah. I'll be flying again tomorrow, so I'll probably show this when I return from my next vacation. Okay. Okay, this time I used my credit card because I forgot to bring my local Octopus card, which is used for like convenience stores, transportation, all public transportation can use the Octopus card. I left it at home, so I had to use my credit card. Just wanted to show you guys that. Now I'm just going down the escalators. It's really wet out. I guess it stopped raining because no one's really carrying the umbrellas. It's in the middle of the day right now, so I have to get this sorted before I fly tomorrow. And I wanted to, some of you have messaged me to say like if I could record more of my experiences in Hong Kong, like the public transportation and where I go. I'm very limited to where I go to, often just to work in the office, which is nearby the LV I go to in Central location. So now I'm going down another escalator and going westbound. Speak soon. Oh, I don't think I'll make it in time. Maybe I will. Let's see. Probably not. There's a lot of people traveling and would stop at the station, Central Station. So I just missed the subway. The subway in Hong Kong is called the MTR. Because I missed it, I'm just going to walk to the front a little bit more. This is the Central subway map. So we're currently right here. I'm going westbound. And if you come to every single MTR station, you'll see that Hong Kong would show you all the touristy places you can visit or the famous locations and sightseeing, Ocean Park, like the most famous of stations and what's there. It's fairly easy to get around. I mainly stay on this blue line called the Island Line. And yeah, it's so funny how I'm holding cherries, doing a map. Okay, wait for the next train. We usually allow people to walk out first in the middle.